And now it's time for Roland, Charlotte, and Rockford. Hardcore fans, the ship today is Pixie, the White Heart. She's a white heart. White. Can you think of some things that are white? Snow is white. Let's play a game. No. How many hearts can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hearts. I'll catch you later. Bye. Let's head to the kitchen. Hardcore fans, today we heard that fire salamanders are poisonous to eat. So, we're gonna have to make yeah. Alright, let's play rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Paper beats rock, rock beats scissors. So it's you, Rolly. Why do I always lose in rock, paper, scissors? Why do I always get to do the dangerous stuff? Couple of bozos. This is the end of Raleigh, the Blue Circle. What's taking him so long? Maybe he hasn't eaten anything. You know what? I'm not gonna do it. Come on, Raleigh. It's for the show. I don't care. I don't wanna. I'm only poisonous if you three act like a bunch of bozos. Works every time.